on. And here comes Josephine and Angelo. Angelo driving. This ought to be good, and watch her fall off like a dumbass. Told ya.
Oh, come on!
No!
You gotta do it perfect now!
We're recording! It's all good, folks.
Oh, and it's gone! And she's rejected!
Oh, yeah!
Pull it back and get on it. Pull all your back and get on it.
I think there's nobody on it and he's driving. I just hop on. That's a nice. Keep going! Don't stop for nothing! My nose and everything.
Oh, come on!
Ew! Ew, it's smelling poop! Did he run over the poop?
Someone's gotta take it with me on it.
Not me. You have to jump on, you know. I don't care if my blurs are out of my nose.
We're gonna make a continued video of this. This one's just you and Chris. The other one's gonna be partially me, and then the rest of you guys.
Really, I feel like poop.
Oh, funny.
What the hell?
Angel, let Emma go!
It's alright. I just fall off all the time. It doesn't even matter. Oh my god.
Walking backwards.
We've still got 4 minutes and 12 seconds left. Of this hilarity. Oh my god, they're taking forever out there. We should put this on YouTube.
Oh, he still has to. Gotta ask my brother to do it. Or when you're there. Emma, Chris, Angelo, Justin. And Dustin.
Well, if I'm gonna be in it, we're gonna have to do it now, but oh no, it's fine. And he's off!
Let Emma go! Why?
I suck!
Come find you left.
Don't get it wet.
3 minutes.
I took
Okay,
this
go.
forever.
Oh! Bye, Emma.
Look, is there any salt anywhere?
There's current iced over dirt. There's nothing there that could hurt.
Just go!
Is there any rock salt anywhere else? Like?
I don't know.
I need to the pedal this road so I can get more grip.
Oh man!
That's gonna hurt.
Chris, take the camera just for you drive me!
No!
Here, I'll take it.
No. Polaris 500.
Funny
yeah.
stuff, people. Yeah, I'm the guy who just split. Nobody better be laughing out there. Okay? I'm watching you. I know where you all live.
Got that?
Shut up.
2 minutes and 20 seconds.
It's always that one flip.
Hurry, Ange.
Always that one turn.
Emma, say hi to the peeps. She's dead. She's so dead.
Grab the cup.
Grab the cup. Move, Chris.
Shut up. I'm grabbing the cup.
Oh, it's bad.
See ya. Keep going. She's still on. He's so dead. See, I went over the hill and made on.
Chris, move, hurry.
She's still on. Get her off of there. George, do the jerk.
Come on!
Okay.
10 seconds! Did I look?